Hello and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm showing you this simple dry rub roast chicken. I do hope you sit back and enjoy. So I already pat dry the chicken and I'm adding and mixing all my dry rubs together. This is chili peppers, some chicken bouillon, some dry barbecue sauce, some garlic powder and some salt. So I'm just mixing all this together and I will be adding that to the chicken, making sure all this goes round. I'm going to spread it all across, tuck it into underneath the skin, just because you want all everything to taste nice. So make sure you sprinkle the dry rub all around the chicken. So I'm going to flip it and repeat the same process. Yeah, just leave the underarm, the underlegs. Make sure you have the rub all across. And I'm adding some melted butter. This is just to seal all the sauce that I put on there. If you want, you can also use some cooking spray here or any type of cooking oil that you desire. I'm flipping again and repeating the process. And here I'm stuffing my chicken with some sliced oranges, some garlic, and some sliced onions. The orange, the garlic, and the onion stuffed in there will give the inside, that's juicy taste and feeling that you want. It keeps it juicy. Now I'm adding more melted butter just to seal all those sauces. Adding more of the spices. Now I'm transferring this into my baking dish. If you want, you can marinate this for a few hours or overnight. Just place it in your baking dish, put it in your refrigerator, or if you also want, just marinate it for a few hours and it will be ready to bake. So I'm just adding some more orange slices and onions to the baking dish, just to give it that juicy and orangey kind of taste and aroma. So here now I have this. You can add whatever you want. All this is just, giving it, infusing those, that orange and fruit flavor in there. And once I'm done doing this, I already have my oven preheated to 350 degree and I bake this for about 15 minutes. And you can see how beautiful and juicy that look. And I must tell you, it's also juicy inside. It's not dry. And I do hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section. And I will see you next time. Until then, keep liking our videos, share your comments, share with friends and families. And I do hope you have a happy holidays. Goodbye.